what is like very common mistakes you see जो आजकल की फूड इन्फ्लुएंसर्स नए आ रहे हैं वो कर रहे हैं, अगर वो इस चीज को अवॉइड करे तो बहुत बेटर कर सकता है?
I feel like food influencers या any influencer actually, अगर आपका पेज अच्छा कर रहा है, आपको कंटिन्यू करना चाहिए. मतलब आप वहाँ छोड़ मत दो, एंड देन आप अगर उसमें वापस आओगे आफ्टर 1 month or 2 months or whatever, your traction drops. What is most important is that your page is being seen, and the only way that can happen is कि आप बहुत consistent हो with your work. So I do feel like that is one thing, and the other thing is that try not to copy recipes or jokes or whatever it is. Don't try not to copy things that other people do. Of course it can be inspired, but आप अपना take लेके उससे inspiration लो, because when you are starting off, people will call you out. It is very easy to do. So if you are good at it, of course take inspiration, but change it in your own way and be very, very consistent.
Okay. Let's again talk about content only. कि आपको लगता है there is a lot of scope in this food में भी इस niche पे ज़्यादा creators नहीं हैं, इस पे होने चाहिए?
Of course there's a lot of scope. I'd say like regional food में, क्योंकि बहुत कम है. Like I see South में बहुत है, and उन लोग बस South Indian food करते हैं. But I don't see a lot of आजकल actually I see a lot of North Eastern food, which is amazing. But there's one thing with that कि जो North East में खाना बनाया जाता है, which is amazing, and जो obviously regional, but वो हम लोग नहीं खाते. Like, frogs and insects and things like that. But it's beautiful to see their culture. मतलब I didn't even know that they cook it this way and कैसे बनाया जाता है, कैसे किया जाता है. So it's beautiful to know that. So I feel like regional is a big thing. Like I know that people do Gujarati food, but उन लोग उसमें इतना innovation कर देते हैं. Like वो necessary है नहीं. Like ढोकला को ढोकला रहने दो and पिज्जा को पिज्जा रहने दो, and दोनों को combine करने का ये है नहीं जरूरत, because Indian food is originally extremely healthy, fresh and nutrition. Like there's so much nutrition in it. So I feel like अगर आप वो दिखा सको, then it is definitely a plus. But I don't see regional cuisine. Having said that, मैं भी बहुत regional cuisine नहीं करती हूँ, but I try and add it as much as possible. But I feel like it's a very big niche.
Yeah.
Because do well
whenever I'm cooking something Marwadi, जो राजस्थानी items है, मैं मम्मी पापा kitchen
right, she's very good. Yeah. Exactly. तो वो Instagram पे नहीं है, but and अगर आपको मारवाड़ी नहीं आती तो मम्मी पापा kitchen में आप समझोगे भी नहीं. Exactly.
Yeah, that is there.
Exactly. So I feel like even if you're doing it with music, आप music के साथ करो, but try and do regional. I feel like it always works. Like I do a lot of Marwadi recipes, but I don't do it very frequently. I think क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को देखना भी नहीं है. So I have to like
it's mix of.
So I feel like अगर कोई ऐसा होता who do only Marwadi Rajasthani food, I would definitely like to watch.
Even I would definitely follow them. Yeah. इसका एक अच्छा example Heba's Kitchen भी है.
Right.
She started with the South Indian thing only.
Yeah.
और कोई voice over नहीं है.
Absolutely, just music and the way she does it. मतलब आपको सब कुछ समझ में आ जाता है एक ही बार में. I think that's a great example.
Yeah. Do you have a personal rule to say yes to brand collaborations?
Yes. If I have used the brand,
Achha.
If I actually believe in it, and if I haven't used it, I ask for a little bit of time so that I can use it and then make sure that it is okay to use, and then I say yes to brands. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ भी आ जाए, कोई भी आ जाए sort of thing, I'll just say yes. No, it doesn't work like that. For that, I only with clothes I say yes, because that is fine. If I like something, then I'll do it. But otherwise, not with something that you consume. No.
Okay.